Winning the league is actually not about beating the top six teams in the league. It's also about going down to the teams that are easy on paper and win those difficult games. And Arsenal failed to do so. And now they have a 6 point gap between them and Man City. And other teams actually are piling up. You're looking at that log, actually, the gap between number two and number nine, it's only 2 points. So I can tell you this, the game is about to begin. So I can tell you one thing, Arsenal showed us over the weekend that playing without Gaia Corres is not actually a problem for them. They can able to go out and score goals. But now, what actually surprises me, going into the game, Arsenal had scored 18 goals and 12 of those were set pieces and 6 of those were open goal play. So actually I had an issue with that because I was like, if you look at this team, you can minus all the 12 goals they scored, which are set pieces. They actually are around number 6, 7. But I mean, you're not gonna fault Arsenal for scoring all these set piece goals because I mean it's part of the game. But my concern was, what if you go against a team that doesn't allow you to score those set piece? What is going to happen? But you know what they said to me? They answered that question. They were like, we are a team that can also go out there and score goals openly. I mean, Kayokare's goal was just a superb goal. I liked it so much, like it was nice. But my thing is, it's looked like if they go and score 2 goals, they open up at the back. So what is going to happen with that? I feel like this is the team that they actually need to balance things. I mean, using one of the things that is actually helping you to win games, which is set pieces, it can be a good thing, but also relying on it could be another thing. So I mean, as part of the game, you need to make sure that you have all the weapons that will be there for you. So if you need to win the game, you can take one of them and try them, which is one of them is set piece for Arsenal, and they've been doing that very well, which is strange because I mean, they started doing that last season and teams were complaining, calling them the Stoke City of the modern day era. But I mean, it was one of those good things that you can't deny. Arsenal are doing this nicely and are doing this profitable for them. And I mean, even Arteta can't deny this. But now, my mistake of actually thinking Arsenal were cruising with it is because they were winning games. And then I'm like, okay, what if they meet a team that actually can use the tactics they've been using to other teams to them? That's what actually Sutherland did. They scored the first goal using the set piece like Arsenal does. So what they did, they moved the ball from the center line and it goes all the way to the box. It bounces from the first target, and then Traore brought back that ball, and then Ballard was there to finish. So what I can tell you is Arsenal actually is a great team, and right now in the league, I feel like they have the strongest team to all the 20 teams that are in the league, especially if you look at like any position, goalkeeper wise, right back, left back, center backs, midfielder, forwards, everything I think is balanced. They can just put another team on the other side that can also beat the other teams in the league because I think they're that good, even though they have some injuries when it comes to Havertz and also the guy from Chelsea, which is Noni Madueke. So, what we learn though from this game against Sutherland, Arsenal showed us that actually they need to now look forward, not look back. Because some of the things is, if you look back, City is right behind you. It's just 6 points. One wrong move, it's 3 points. And I mean, it's not only City that is out there for you. Chelsea also is out there for you. So I feel like the team is actually doing great. And I think maybe Arsenal needs to make sure that they work on that. And I would like the team to continue with the momentum they had, which is winning games. But I mean, I wasn't actually happy about the strategy of getting set piece. Use set pieces where you can, but don't rely on them to get goals. I know that Gabriela will do this, and I've been saying he's not gonna do this the whole season. He's gonna have some games, he's gonna have some downtimes where it will be like just a rough patch for him to get those goals and able to get those assists, even if they get set pieces. So I think Arsenal need to rethink this and make sure that this is the strategy they're going to use if they really wants to win the league. Because at the end of the day, beating all the top six teams doesn't really give you the league. All it gives you is the confidence to go and beat other guys. Actually, those games that are hard, and but they are easy on paper. So if you like this video, make sure that you comment, you subscribe, and you like, and then I'll see you on the next one.